Hello guys! Welcome back sa aking channel. Ayan. And for today's video is wala akong maisip na video pa. So ganito na lang ang gagawin ko guys. Isusukat ko na lang yung mga short ko dyan na pang bike. Pero di naman ako nagbo-bike. Pero kasi maganda yung short na yun guys. Kaya gusto ko lang ipakita. Ayan. So ayan. Gusto ko lang ipapakita ko sa inyo na suot ko. So ayun guys, and sana samahan nyo ako ha. So let's go. And so ayun guys, kukunin ko na sa aking aparador yung aking susukatin ng mga short na pang bike. Ayan. And ito nga pala yung aking aparador. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. May lock syempre. So, ayun guys, buksan na natin at kukunin ko na yung mga short na aking susukatin. Ayan. So, ayan, bubuksan ko na siya guys. Binuksan ko na siya guys. Hindi ko na siya nilak kasi para madali na lang, diba? So, ayan, ganito na lang ating gagawin. Bubuksan ko, tapos hanapin natin yung mga short na yun. Hindi, joke lang. Inano ko na siya, inayos ko na siya. Bali guys, yung mga short pinagpatong-patong ko na. Bali kukunin na lang natin. So ayan. So ayan, charan! So ayun guys. Andito na tayo. Binuksan ko na yung aking aparador. Ayan, aparador talaga. So ayan. Ito na siya guys. Ayan, ito, asa na ba dito? Wait lang. Sana ba? Ito pala. Ito pala yun guys. Ito. Ayan, ito yung mga short ko na ginagamit ko rin na pang araw-araw, and ginagamit ko rin siya guys at pang TikTok. Ayan. Alam ko nakita nyo na to guys, pero isusukat ko pa rin siya para sa inyo. Ayan. So, ayan. Kukunin ko na. Ang daming daldal. Ano ba yan? Ayan. Pasensya na kayo guys. Medyo pa rin akong inuubo. Medyo inuubo pa rin si host. So, ayan guys. Ito, kukunin ko na siya. Ilan ba to? Bilangin natin. 1, 2, 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ayun, 8 lang pala siya guys. So, ayan. Bali, ito na yung susukatin ko guys na mga short. Sana magustuhan nyo guys kasi pasensya na kayo kung wala pang may upload si host. Ayan. Kasi nag-order pa ako ng mga anong tawag dito, mga unang gagawin ko para may upload ako para sa inyo guys. Ayan, ito, susukatin na natin to. Ayan. So ayan, sukatin na natin. So ayun guys, ang una yun nating isukat ay itong color red. Ayan, color red siya guys. Ayan. Ayan siya guys. Bali malambot yung tela niya guys. Kasi fit siya, tapos malambot. Tayo suot, hindi mainit. Di katulad ng iba, diba? Mainit yung iba. So ayan, stretchable pa siya. Pero fit to sa akin guys. So ayan. May kulay red ako. May kulay gray. Ayan. Ito medyo maliit sa akin. Ayan. Malambot. Stretchable. Meron ding color brown. Kulay brown. Na malambot din ang tela. Pare-parehas lang. Ayan. Stretchable din. So, ayan guys, pasensya na kayo, nauubo talaga ako. Pipigilan ko lang. So, ayan, may color blue din. Ayan, lahat to mga paborito kong kulay na in-order ko sa Shopee. Ayan. Ayan, stretchable din siya, guys. Mamaya natin na isukat. Tapos, may kulay black din. Ay, baligtad. Ayan, kulay black. Pero ito, hindi medyo stretchable siya, guys. Ewan ko, ito yung naiiba. Ito ang pinaka-paborito kong suotin. Ayan. Kulay pink. Ayan. Ayan. Ang ganda na, diba? Stretch na stretch talaga siya. So, ayan. Meron pang color yellow. May color yellow ta. Ayan. Stretchable din siya, guys. At meron din kulay. Ano ba to? May pagka-light pink siya. Nakalimutan kong color. So, ayan. Na color blind na si Rose. So, ayan. Stretchable din siya. So, ayan. Napakita ko na lahat. So, sukatin na natin yan. Isa-isa. Ayan. So, ayan, guys. Umpisa na natin sukat itong mga shirt na pang bike. Ayan. Ang dami, diba? So, ayan na.
Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No. I really should've known. Be with that in May till we hit a red light. Did I see the signs? Oh, after all that time, it's a sit for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. Should've known. Be with that in May till we hit a red light. Then I see the side. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us. Calling down the highway, doing 95 alone. Trying to reach you, call you, but you won't come to the phone. Remember me, said you'd be my heart's home. Guess you were biting your tongue to go. Oh, I really should've known. Be with that in May till we hit a red light. Then I see the signs. Oh, after all that time, this is it for us. You don't wanna try. Thought your love was real, but it's not for us. No, you can't decide. After all this time, this is it for us. Change your energy, yeah, you switch things up. Now you seem brand new to me. But was that even for? Was you playing your games? Was you really bored? No.